Hey, it's Mike Sadler, Speed and Shine TV, and I am at the Packard Proving Grounds Fall Open House, their last car show of the year. It is a beautiful, sunny day in Michigan. Doesn't get you better than that. There's not a cloud in the sky. I just got done eating some ice cream over there, and let's go look at some of these awesome rides, some I've never seen before. They really pack them in here today. Look at that. There's a GTX right there. Oh, that's a very unique color. It's kind of the color my gold Duster was. Hope the wind isn't too bad here. Wow. Nice rides. Here's a Pontiac Trans Am. Wow, really beautiful Falcon. Just like the one I had. I wonder if this is a 4-speed. Very nice. Nice car. I had a 63, just like that, but the blue, the light blue color. Very nice. Here's that Alfa Romeo, 1960. Look under the hood of that. Wow. Let's look inside. Nice car. Beautiful red interior. So many beautiful cars to look at. 1978 Dodge. What is that? Monaco or something?
1950 race car.
Okay. Here's a 71 Ford Grand Torino. Yellow hot rod truck. Rat Heads, Carlton, Michigan. Very nice. Oh yeah, here we go. 1950 Plymouth Pace car. I think I saw this as the Jack Frost. Wow. That's really nice. All right, let's head this way. So many cool cars. Now look at this. They just showed up. Isn't that nice? Nice hot rod there. Oh, I really like to look at this. Oh man, that looks really clean and straightforward. This needs to be painted grabber blue, right? Looks like they're involved in fixing it. This guy's getting ready to drive in this big old Cadillac. Look at that thing. Wow. All right, we'll head over here. Let's go down this way. Let's go between.
That was pretty cool.
That'll be fun. Oh, I think I can't go between. That's quite a setup there, isn't it? Wow. Here's a green Roadrunner. Let's look under the hood.
Brought her home tonight. Here's my number.
Isn't that cool? Beep beep. Air grabber hood again. Boy, she's straight. Straight as an arrow. Here's that T-Bird. Excuse me. I think I've seen this T-Bird quite a few times. It's beautiful. Look at the shape that's in. Wow. All right. Oh, look. There's something cool. A little bit of a Volkswagen club going on down here. I see a couple Herbies. Let's check out the Herbies here. Wow, this is really clean. Both these are. Nicest examples I've ever seen. Look inside. Wow. That's a 65. Look at that. Look how nice that looks. Trying not to get the shadows there. Wow. That's kind of cool too, the yellow. Wow. camper van. Here's one here.
Welcome. Rare 51.
Wow, nice. Let's look at the back. It's a split window, 1951, she says. Yeah. There it is. Isn't that cool? Never seen one that color. Look at that. Wow. All right. Got a Chevelle SS. Really nice Camaro. Well, let's go check out this wagon over here. Wow, just look at that. Oh my gosh. Let's look under the hood. Let's go this way so my shadow's not on there. Look at the paint and finish. I'm telling you, this car is absolutely stunning. Wow. Incredible. Look at that. Rambler. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Is that a beauty?
Custom, because he took away the door.
I know. To me, that's like perfection right there. Wow.
Matched up a 55 Chevy Fender.
All right. Here we go. 442. Here's a Fairlane 500. Let's check this out. Red. Get some custom touches going on down there. The shifter's kind of cool. Never seen that before, but he probably got a pretty big intake he needed to get on there. Let's pull back so I'm not in the picture here. Get a look at that. Yeah. Nice. Chrysler 300. No, maybe not a 300. 396 Chevelle. GS Buick. Got a row bar in it. Roll cage. Here you go, Mercury Cougar. It's been a while since I've seen a Mercury Cougar. 68. Mercury Cougar. Mustang, Camaro. Oof. Another beautiful Mopar. This one's straight as an arrow. Again, got the Ram Charger sealed down there. 446 pack. Let's look inside of it. Oh yeah. Got the ratchet shifter down there. Blackout panel. It's pretty cool. Now you can see that shifter a little better. Let's look at this Jaguar over here. There's a lot of people looking at it. It's gonna be hard to film, but let's take a good look at it. Wow. Uh-oh, I think there's something. Yeah, I don't know if that's stock under the hood or not. Look how nice this inside is. Really nice. Look under the hood here. Wow. Really nice. Paint's pretty nice on this car. Let's look at this side. There you go, a couple carburetors. All right, so that's the end of part one of our Packard Proving Grounds Fall Car Show. Be sure to like, share, follow, all those things. Until next time.